The 2025 Genesis GV80 is destroying luxury SUVs, and here's why every competitor should be terrified. A 409 horsepower E-supercharged beast, a 27-inch OLED cockpit, and a suspension that reads the road before you hit it. All for thousands less than a Mercedes or BMW. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll forget the Germans even exist. Let's go. Exterior design. The standard GV80 maintains its own compelling visual presence, with the signature crest grille flanked by distinctive split dual-line LED headlight. The proportions strike an ideal balance between commanding presence and elegant sophistication, with clean shoulder line and sculpted wheel arches that create visual tension without appearing overwrought. The design language manages to feel both contemporary and timeless, avoiding the polarizing aesthetics that sometimes characterize luxury vehicles in this segment. Powertrain performance. Powertrain options center around the optional 3.5-liter twin turbocharged V6 engine, which delivers substantial performance credentials. It boasts a 375 horsepower twin turbocharged V6 that teams well with the automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The engine produces 391 pound-feet of torque, providing confident acceleration and overtaking capability. The broad torque curve ensures accessible power delivery across the rev range, while the refined 8-speed automatic transmission delivers smooth shifts under normal driving conditions and quick responses when performance is demanded. Despite the substantial power output, the 2025 G82.5 TAWD trim gets an EPA estimated 19 miles per gallon in city driving, 24 miles per gallon on the highway, demonstrating reasonable efficiency for the segment. The engine's acoustic character remains subdued during casual driving, but provides a satisfying growl when accelerating aggressively. Towing capacity reaches 6,000 pounds, making the GV80 suitable for recreational activities, requiring substantial hauling capability. Advanced suspension technology. The predictive adaptive suspension system represents advanced engineering typically reserved for flagship luxury sedans. This technology utilizes a forward-facing camera to scan the road surface ahead, adjusting suspension damping preemptively rather than reactively. When approaching potholes, speed bumps, or surface irregularities, the system modifies suspension settings before impact occurs, minimizing cabin disturbance. This intelligent approach to ride quality creates a sensation of floating over imperfections while maintaining precise vehicle control. The system's effectiveness is particularly noticeable during highway driving, where it maintains body composure through lane changes and merging maneuvers. Combined with the GV80's inherently quiet cabin and refined steering calibration, the predictive suspension elevates the driving experience to a level typically associated with more expensive luxury vehicles. Enhanced E-supercharged option. The GV80 Coupe introduces an additional powertrain option with the E-supercharged variant, which adds an electric supercharger to the standard twin turbocharged V6. The E-supercharged variant gets extra oomph with its 409 horsepower, providing enhanced performance for buyers prioritizing maximum power output. This system represents Genesis's commitment to incorporating electrification technology while maintaining the traditional V6 engine character that luxury buyers expect. Interior technology. Interior craftsmanship represents a significant achievement for the Genesis brand, with materials and construction quality that rival established luxury marks. Napa leather upholstery, genuine open-pore wood trim, and precision-machined aluminum accents create a cohesive luxury environment. The attention to detail extends to subtle elements like micro-suede headliners and backlit Genesis logos integrated into the door panels. The floating center console design incorporates knurled dials and satin-finished trim piece that feel substantial and premium to the touch. Even utilitarian elements like cup holders and the wireless charging pad are concealed beneath sliding wood panels, maintaining the cabin's clean aesthetic. The visual harmony achieved through careful design integration ensures that every surface contributes to an elevated sensory experience. The most striking visual element greeting occupants is the expansive 27-inch OLED panoramic display system. This curved digital interface seamlessly integrates the instrument cluster with the infotainment system, creating a unified command center that spans across the dashboard. The OLED technology delivers exceptional contrast ratio with deep blacks and vibrant colors, while the intuitive interface supports split-screen multitasking capabilities. Navigation, media controls, and vehicle settings are easily accessible through this system, which also incorporates Genesis's mood curating features. These include synchronized lighting, ambient soundscapes, and the distinctive Moon Curator theme that creates an immersive cabin atmosphere. The system's responsiveness and visual clarity establish a new standard for digital luxury interfaces in the midsize SUV segment. Rear passenger luxury. Second row accommodations receive equal attention to front passenger comfort, particularly in higher trim levels. The rear seats feature power adjustment, heating, and ventilation functions, with available reclining and leg support extensions for long-distance comfort. Rear passengers enjoy dedicated climate controls, manual or power sunshades, and strategically positioned air vents that integrate seamlessly with the cabin design. Connectivity options include USB-C ports, a 120-volt AC power outlet, and an optional rear touchscreen controller for media and seat adjustment. The executive and prestige trim levels enhance the rear passenger experience with quilted Napa leather, enhanced acoustic insulation, and ambient lighting that creates a serene atmosphere, rivaling full-size luxury sedans. Smart convenience features. Convenience technologies focus on simplifying daily interactions with the vehicle. The remote smart parking assist allows drivers to maneuver the GV80 into tight parking spaces, using either the key fob or smartphone application while standing outside the vehicle. This capability proves particularly valuable in urban environments where parking space constraints are common. The Digital Key 2.0 system transforms smartphones into vehicle key, enabling locking, unlocking, and starting functions without physical key interaction. The system also supports digital key sharing through Apple Wallet or Samsung Pass, facilitating temporary access for family members or friends without requiring physical key exchanges. Ownership experience and warranty. Genesis's ownership experience extends beyond the initial purchase with industry-leading warranty coverage and service program. The powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles, while bumper-to-bumper coverage extends for 5 years or 60,000 miles. This warranty protection exceeds what traditional German luxury brands typically offer. The Genesis Service Valet program represents a significant differentiator, with technicians collecting vehicles from customer locations, providing complimentary loaner vehicles, and returning serviced vehicles upon completion. This concierge-level service approach eliminates the inconvenience typically associated with luxury vehicle maintenance. Additionally, Genesis includes 3 years or 36,000 miles of complimentary scheduled maintenance, further reducing ownership costs and complexity. Pricing and value proposition. The price of the 2025 Genesis GV80 starts at $59,695 and goes up to $80,650, depending on the trim and options, representing exceptional value in the luxury SUV market. The base model includes features like the 27-inch OLED display, advanced safety technologies, heated seats, and adaptive cruise control as standard equipment. These features typically require expensive option packages on comparable German luxury SUVs. Even the fully loaded Prestige Signature trim remains under $81,000, including premium features like massage seats, the Bang & Olufsen audio system, genuine wood trim, panoramic sunroof, and the predictive suspension system. Equivalent feature content from Mercedes-Benz or BMW typically exceeds $90,000 to $100,000, making the GV80 a compelling value proposition that doesn't require compromising on luxury or technology. The 2025 Genesis GV80 represents a fundamental shift in the luxury SUV landscape, demonstrating that premium vehicles can deliver exceptional value without sacrificing sophistication or advanced technology. Genesis has successfully created a vehicle that competes directly with established luxury brands while offering superior warranty coverage, innovative features, and attentive customer service. The combination of advanced technology, refined performance, and comprehensive ownership support establishes the GV80 as a serious contender that challenges traditional luxury SUV hierarchy. If you found this comprehensive analysis helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more detailed automotive insights. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.